All right, we're back. Got these Benlari whip mounts, flag mounts. I did an unboxing video, initial reaction. I've messed around with this a little bit, and I wanted to make a second video because I've learned some things that are going to make life a little easier. First off, these appear to be a form of stainless steel. The magnet doesn't stick very much as opposed to like, that's a piece of steel. So this is what I've determined here. It came with two different size screws, 8 longer screws and a bunch of these smaller ones. You use one of the smaller ones for the actual going into the adjuster. And then I believe these 4, or if you have a smaller diameter pipe and you don't use the spacers. So I'm going to attempt, and this is going to be I'm just going to try here. I'm going to try to install one of these on video. I got one in already. Learned a few things along the way. This is how I did it. I put 4 bolts in. Check. Set my spacers on there. Check. Grab my other piece. Check. I got this bolt here. It's got the washer and the lock washer. Check. We're going to set that in the hole there. Now that I'm doing this in real time, I realize I should have set this up a little better. It'll all work out. Trust me. It's going to be fine. Let's see if we can work our way over. This is what we're working on. We got this Honda Talon here. I got a big light on the front, help illuminate the, to illuminate the room a little bit. Working in the garage today. It's pretty cold outside, so trying to stay warm, working on the inside. Let's see what we can do here. We do have a fire extinguisher mount in the vicinity, which is a real-life application of how this actually might go for you. So let's see what we can do. So we're going to set our Allen wrench here. We're going to grab, hopefully, the horseshoe. No, where's the horseshoe at? Here it is. Sorry. This is how I did it. I made the sandwich around. Try not to drop any of the bolts. Try to get the bolts through there. And then I rotated her around like that. Everything should be sitting pretty. Am I getting this? Come in with my Allen wrench, start the first one. Come with the Allen wrench, start the second one. Get the third one started. This is just to keep the whole thing from like falling off the pipe. Sorry if my arms are in the way. I'm doing the best I can here. Now what's really neat about this particular flag / whip mount is you have, all right, so I got it on there. It's loose now. You have unlimited. So this way you can go any direction you want. You can put them out here if you want to. You could put them on the inside if you want to protect your whips a little bit, or your flag, whatever you're doing. Obviously you can go up and down as you wish. Let's get this a little bit tighter. For this video, I'm just going to set these at like basically a parallel to the outside edge. We'll go up a little high towards this mount. I'm not going to touch it to the mount, but we'll get it close. And then you just kind of snug these down, and I experienced on the other one, once these start snugging down, it just kind of grips the pipe pretty good, and it stops moving. So that's pretty decent. I don't have it 100% locked down. Let me see if I can get this. So we got this guy here. The next step is we're going to slide him in and pick your angle. So if you want them vertical, you go vertical. I'm going to try to match. I've seen that on the internet. I don't know if it's right or wrong, but that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to match the angle of the roll cage, make it look like I'm going fast, right? Get those light whips angling backwards for the illusion of speed. Now, because I planned this video out so well, I don't have my light whip over here. Let's go grab my light whip real quick. I'll come back over here and get the tour of the Madness Factory. Here's our light whip. Let's take him back over there and get an idea of how this is going to look when it's all mocked up. Now, obviously, I can't tell you if you're watching how to set yours up because I don't know what you like. Well, what angle do you want yours to be? Where do you want it to be? That's personal preference there. Let's get this bolt. So that's going to be zoink, zoink. I'm not going to crank this down. We're just going to get it snugged up. So there you go. Look at that. Look at that. You can see my other ones over there. How about that? That's pretty slick. I think my final install, when I do it, I'm going to put the bracket on the inside just to protect these whips a little bit, get them tucked in, but you can do however you want. Now, on this particular machine, the spare tire mount had this, but it's the wrong diameter, unusable. So I'm going to put light pods on there for rear, I think is what I'm going to do, is have light pods going on those. But my light whips are going here. And obviously, you know, you can go all the way up if you want, down, angles. I mean, it's personal choice. It's personal choice. Let's go see what the other side looks like real quick here as I do the sideways shuffle with the leany camera. That's pretty slick. That's a pretty slick little unit. I mean, I pushed this one up to that bungee. I got this here, that thing there. But yeah, that's a nice product. I like that. Well built, good finish. I know the unboxing video was a little chaotic because I didn't know what to expect. I'd never seen it before. But now I probably played with that for about 2 minutes off camera and figured out how to do it all, got it all nice. So yeah, pretty slick product. Big shout out to the folks at Benlari. There you go. Stay safe.